Okay, 45 asks for the vertex, axis of symmetry, and the y-intercept. So some of these things you can find right away. So the y-intercept you can see right away in here. Remember, the y-intercept is supposed to be parentheses 0, comma, a number. What's that number going to be? Negative 11, right. It's the c value, so negative 11. So the y-intercept is 0, negative 11, so I'm going to circle that as one of my answers. Axis of symmetry, how do you find that? They give you a formula in the front of your packet, actually. The axis of symmetry is going to be x equals negative b over 2a. So let's label a, b, and c just because it asks for that. So what is a here? What is b? And what is c? Oh, whoops. That's right. Okay, so I want to use the axis of symmetry formula. X equals negative b over 2a, so I'm going to substitute those numbers. X equals negative, what's b? 6 over 2 times 1. And so this would simplify out to what? So your axis of symmetry is x equals negative 3. So that's the axis of symmetry. Okay, how do I find the vertex then? You can actually use the axis of symmetry. We know that, remember, the vertex always lies on the axis of symmetry, right? Which means the axis of symmetry, that is the x value for your vertex. So to find the y value of my vertex, all I have to do is plug in that negative 3 into all the x's, okay? So this y equals x squared. X is negative 3, right? Because we're using that. Negative 3 squared plus 6 times negative 3. Minus 11. Work this out, and that's going to give you the y value for the vertex. So that's going to be negative 3 squared is what? Positive 9, that's right. Plus minus 18. And then minus 11, and this comes out to be negative 20. So then what is your vertex then? That's right. The vertex is going to be negative 3, negative 20. So you see the negative 3 came from the axis of symmetry, and then the negative 20 came from plugging in the negative 3 to the equation.